Okay, let's try this basic arithmetic sequence, and here we go. They want you to find the 22nd term. They want you to find the 22nd term. Well, you know that the common difference here, you know that A is 7. That's the first term. And you know that they want 22 terms. So you could use this formula right here or this formula right here because it's 3n and it's going up by 4. But you can use our a plus m minus 1 times d. n minus 1 times d. That looks like a bit of a mistake there. It's just supposed to be a 3. A bit of a mistake in the memo. So let's just fix that up there. D is 3, right? It won't work unless it's 3. So let's put a 3 there. Okay. That should be a 3. And then it will work out. They got it right here. And you can just go 3 times 22 plus 4, and you get 70. There it is. There's the answer. Now they give you determine the value of n if the sum of this of the a whole bunch of terms is 847, but you don't know what it is. Well, here's the formula for the sum of arithmetic sequence. There's 2a, there's a the first term, n minus 1 times d. We're trying to figure out what n is, and it equals 847. Well, multiply everything by 2, it turns it into 1694. This is 3n squared. You're going to have, you've got 14. Oh, here we go. There's minus 3n like that. You've got yourself 3n, and then you've got a minus 3 right there. 3n minus 3, and there's 14. Okay, so n times 3n is 3n squared. 14 times n, that should be 14. Gee, there's a lot of mistakes in this thing here. N times 3n squared, that's got to be 14n. That's got to be 14n. Why is there all these mistakes in the memo? Okay, anyways, that's 14n. But when you put this, I would put it in the quadratic formula here. Would be an easier thing to do. And you'll get that n equals 22. If you put in b is 14, and a is 3, and c is this big giant number, I wouldn't try and factor this thing. I mean, who knows their times tables to 1,694? Well, I don't. I'd use the quadratic formula. I'd get one answer that is just doesn't work, and another answer that does work and equals 22. And there you go. That's fine. And looking at this memo is kind of interesting. They want you to make the statement that one of the solutions isn't true. But for me, if you found that n is 22 and the other one is negative, so it's not going to work. But anyways, there you go.